Welcome this video wall corner idea. Create warm to even edge to your space. Wall and corner often go unnoticed when it's come to home design. However, that under unique space hold ink portrait of functionally space and charm, whether you look to add story, create a cozy note, or enhance your home aesthetic. Their created wall corner idea will help you make the most of every inch of space. World corner shade. World corner are an excellent way to maximize the use of the corner without take up too much space. Then can sub multi purpose for display, decoration, image, and book to hold smart indoor plants to sleep maximizes wood or glass shade for a modern look or go with rustic reclaimed wood for a cozy and warm feel. Corner wall, gallery wall. How see art display much to limited for flying warm. A corner gallery wall can be a great way to showcase artwork, frame, family photo, or decoration bidder This unique arrangement not only enhance various appear but also add depend create to your living space. Vertical indoor gardening. Greenery can live up and space and a corner is a perfect place for an indoor gardening. Consider use drum large stood hen plants or a style wall mount plants to create a lush gardening display. This valve purpose well in smart apartment or home bulb limited without space, corner cabin, a storage unit, a gardening cabin, or a storage unit is a perfect solution for make the most of awake corner if can be used for staying kitchen, book or decoration image.